Welcome. Today I will demonstrate how to factory reset a PDL Microflo frequency inverter. Sorry for the low quality of this video. Step 1. Power up the drive and check if it's possible to change any parameters. When trying to change parameters, it should show illegal access. Let me zoom in for a better view. Step 2. Go to parameter number 96. Step 3. Press plus button once and immediately for second time and hold for 5 seconds. Set commission to yes. Now you can change parameters. Go to parameter number 97 and change no to yes and accept. Drive will initialize all parameters, returning them to default values. Parameters have been factory reset.